Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Stripe payment links with Node backend. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a Node.js environment set up on your machine. Open your terminal and create a new directory for your project. Navigate to the new directory using the command line. Initialize a new Node.js project by running npm init-y. Next, install the Stripe package using npm install Stripe. Create an index.js file in your project directory. Open the index.js file in your preferred code editor. Import the Stripe package at the top of the file using const stripe equals require stripe. Create a new Stripe instance by providing your secret key. You can find your secret key in the Stripe dashboard under Developers. Store your secret key in a variable for easy reference. Define a route for creating payment links. Use an Express server to handle incoming requests. If you haven't done so already, install Express with npm install Express. Require Express in your index.js file. Create an instance of the Express application. Set up a basic server to listen on a specified port. In your payment link route, extract necessary data from the request body. Use the Stripe instance to create a payment link with the provided data. Ensure you handle any potential errors using try-catch blocks. Send the generated payment link back as the response. Test your application using a tool like Postman or Insomnia. Make a post request to your new endpoint to check if the payment link returns successfully and works as expected. Congratulations, you've successfully set up Stripe payment links with a Node backend. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.